baje biteguye ko tubaranga uno munsi.
I would like those who are about to be wedded so that they can come forward.
Bateri intambwe batambuke bihuta hanyuma iteraniro twese tukomere Imana yacu amashimwe. Baririmbyi ko numvise bavugije impundu nyinshi bimeze abageni bose turuhamwe uyu munsi dutambuke barimo na Pezo. bagomba kuyagaragaza. Ni umunsi mwiza dufite abana bacu barimo bitegura kubaka urugo.
They couldn't keep up with their emotions. It is a special day for them.
Ndagira rero ngo tudatinze duhere kuri Trezor.
Let's begin with Trezor.
Atubwire umuntu bari kumwe.
Will tell us who they are with.
Narangiza tubwire gahunda y'uyu mushinga wabo.
Their plan. Let's go. Let's Trezor. They're waiting you for their wedding on 21st June. To happen at the holy matrimony will happen at Foursquare. And they will return there at that place. You are all invited. Your family is invited. Let's go. He's Rene. And she's Immaculate. The next weekend of 14th they have their wedding. Our ceremony will start at 9. And the whole matrimony will be held here at Foursquare at 2. And the reception they will return at Excel. These two gentlemen, they are our church members and they are good. In their ministry and in their gifts. So showing them to the church is for you to support them in all means. Supporting them is not about only giving them money. It's good that the child of the church should see the people of the church having come to their wedding. It is better than seeing only his family members. So let's support them with money and our presence. May God bless you. Again,
tugira ngo nimba hariho impamvu ariko y'ukuri ikwiye gutuma tutabasezeranya.
The reason why we show them to the church is for you, if you have a reason a valid reason so that they cannot be wedded.
Muzatwegere hariya muri administration muyivuge.
Approach us in the administration instead of
itorero rizayigenzura,
and the church will examine it.
Nidusanga ari y'ukuri ntitushobora kubasezera.
If it is valid, we shall not wed them.
Ariko kandi niba mutayifite nyine muzaceceke kuzageza iteka ryose.
And if that reason is valid, please keep quiet.
Kubera ko twihuta, umwami Imana akomeza abane namwe muri gahunda zanyu, kandi abarinda ikibi cyose muri iki gihe cy'imyiteguro, ndetse azabahe n'ibirori byiza. Ndagira ngo rero munyemerere twongere duhuze ibiganza dushimira Imana, twakira Bishop aradufasha mu gusengera abana, gahunda zo kwitabira kubarika abana, ariko narangiza arakomerezaho
uri Imana isohoza masezerano, iyo mvuze birasohora kuko utabesha. Urakomeye, urahambaye, urakomeye, urahambaye.
Uri Imana isohoza masezerano, iyo uvuze birasohora kuko utabesha. Urakomeye, urahambaye, urakomeye, urahambaye.
Wakoze ibikomeye bihambaye mu gihe gikwiye, birasohora.
Niyo mpamvu tudahwema kubiririmba.
Urambaye, urambaye.
Wakoze ibikomeye bihambaye mu gihe gikwiriye, birasohora. Niyo mpamvu tudahwema kubiririmba. Urambaye, urambaye.
Uri Imana isohoza masezerano, iyo uvuze birasohora kuko utabesha. Urakomeye.
Hallelujah.
aravugije neza numva kubise kwa ruguru neza neza. Mureke mbasabe ikintu. Unyemerera utiza amashi yawe dukunde. Dukubita amashi muri no ndirimbo. Tugiye kwisubiramo. Turayinogereza kabisa niko numvishe. Dukomere Imana amashi muri yo ndirimbo. Nawe papa kwa kundi.